Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to charge your speaker MTUNE M1 using your phone. All you need to have for this just USB-C to USB-C cable. But if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C or even micro USB to USB-C. Now connect USB-C cable to your phone, and at the back side of the speaker, at the bottom back side, we have also USB-C port. So connect the second USB-C cable right at this port, and at the top, right here, near to the power button, we have this LED light, and it means that your speaker is charged. So we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!